In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can switch one card for another. These can even be signed playing cards. This is my absolute favorite go-to trick. I'll perform this anytime, anywhere, for anyone. So let's get straight into it right now. Alright guys, so for this trick you're going to need a deck of cards obviously, and you're actually going to need a duplicate. So you're going to need a duplicate. So here I have the two queens, the two queen of hearts, and basically you're just going to leave them on top of the deck for now. And what you're going to do is, this is all the setup that's required. So you're going to go up to a spectator, say hey, go ahead and pick any card, whatever you want to do. They pick a card, doesn't matter what it is, 10 of spades. Now here you do the first move. So you're going to do what's called a Marlowe's tilt. So basically, here I'll show you guys real quick. So basically, you're going to be back here, and you're going to use your thumb, push off the card, and then kind of pull that card up like this. So in the front, it looks normal, and in the back, it's sticking up like this. You can actually just use your other hand by just coming over and just placing it like that. And it's just going to be against the side of your thumb here. And then just keep it like that. And your pinky is going to be holding up the other side just like that. Now, all you're going to do now is from the front, it's going to just look completely normal. And from the back, what you're going to do is actually slide that card in. I like to do it like this and then just push it in, obviously. What I've seen a lot of magicians do is they'll actually push some cards out in the front and then go ahead and put the card in just like that, so it kind of makes the illusion that you're putting the card in, but it doesn't matter how you do it. All you're going to do is do something that gets the card to the second from the top. Now what you're going to do is snap your fingers and say I'm going to make your card jump to the top of the deck. And then all you're going to do here is a double lift. If you don't know how to do that, go look it up. There's a billion tutorials on YouTube for a double lift. Essentially, you're just lifting up two cards. That's all it is. And then once you do your double lift, you're going to have the queen, or your duplicate, because that'll be the card that's on top. So that it's going to look like you just showed them their card. It's going to look like you're taking their card right here. And then all you're going to do is put it in your pocket. I put it in my pocket for the demonstration. If you have a table or something like that, it's actually a lot better if you put it on the table. Have them put their hand on top of it or put the box on top of it. Do whatever you want. I prefer to do this trick with a table, but you don't have to. And that's where you use something like your pocket, or have the spectator hold their hand out, put it in their hand, have them put their hand over it. You know, whatever. You can kind of make stuff up and just do whatever you like to do, and whatever makes you feel comfortable, or whatever you think makes the trick look better. I prefer to use the table and put the box on top of it, or have someone put their hand on top of it is really good too. But now once you have the card on the table or in your pocket or whatever, you're going to do another double lift showing the duplicate card, the other duplicate. And now they think you're taking your card. And now what you're going to do for this is, when you need to give a reason for showing just a random card. So what you're going to say is, now I'm going to choose a card, so this will be my card. And you just act like you're just taking the top card. When in reality, this is a duplicate and it's planned, obviously. So you take this card. Now they think this is your card. Basically, you can do whatever magic thing. You can do a wave or whatever you want. I prefer to like kind of wave it over wherever the card is and then show that the card is now theirs, and in your pocket or on the table or whatever is your card, this is a super powerful effect. This is one of my all-time favorite tricks. This is my go-to trick. If I have a duplicate on me and someone asks me to do a trick, this is the one I'm doing. This is such a powerful routine. So I strongly encourage you guys to really learn how to do this trick well and to practice it a lot, because this is one of my best tricks. It's really simple. Really, all the moves is just 2 double lifts and the Marlowe's tilt. That's all you need to learn, and it's super easy once you have those 3 mastered. So go ahead and make sure that you go practice this trick, because like I said, it's so powerful. So that's the trick, and that's it for today. So I'll see you guys next time.